If your iPhone keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi, this tutorial will show you 3 quick fixes to solve this problem. Let's get started. First method, disable Wi-Fi Assist. Open your Settings app, then tap on Mobile Data or Cellular. Scroll down to the bottom and locate Wi-Fi Assist. This feature automatically switches to cellular when your Wi-Fi connection is weak, which can cause disconnection issues. Toggle it off and test if your iPhone stays connected to Wi-Fi. Second method, force restart your iPhone. This refreshes your network settings and often fixes connectivity problems. Press and quickly release the volume up button, then the volume down button, and hold the power button. Keep holding until you see the Apple logo appear. Once your iPhone restarts, check if the Wi-Fi disconnection issue is resolved. Third method, reset network settings. Go to Settings, scroll down to General, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset at the bottom, then choose Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode to confirm. This will reset all network configurations to factory defaults, which fixes most Wi-Fi problems on iPhone. After the restart, reconnect to your Wi-Fi network and the issue should be fixed. That's how you fix an iPhone that keeps disconnecting from Wi-Fi. If this helped you, subscribe for more quick tutorials.